After the strong sellout of this community, we're now down to the final phase. Join me as we check the latest updates and explore the last remaining lots here in one of the highest selling communities in Nuvali. Welcome to Casella Nuvali. Good morning guys, this is Renz Pagiligan, the Estate Savvy, your senior property specialist in the South. Right now, nandito tayo sa location ng Casella Nuvali and as you can see, ongoing na ang land development natin. In this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang latest updates ng ating community. We officially launched Casella just last December 2024. So higit isang taon pa lang siya, pero ang bilis na agad ng progress. Quick share lang, because of this project, I was blessed to be the top one in our division last 2025 and ang top din ang team namin under the Ayala Land Core Residential Business Group. Halos majority ng sales namin nanggaling dito sa Casella. Malaking factor talaga dito ang ganda nitong community. But of course, none of this would be possible without the trust of our clients, lalo na sa mga kababayan natin here and abroad. Now, before tayo mag-deep dive sa details ng Casella, mas maganda siguro if we start with a quick drive tour. I'll be showing you a clip from my previous videos so you can see gaano ka-develop ang Nuvali, ano-ano na ba ang establishments dito, and saan exactly located si Casella Nuvali. So tara guys, let's go! So hello guys, welcome to our drive tour. So itong drive tour po, no, it will help you kung saan ba located itong si Nuvali, tsaka from Nuvali going to our community which is si Casella Nuvali. So from here po, no, we will start here sa baba ng Calax. So if you will be coming from north, easiest or yung fastest way natin papuntang Nuvali is to take SLEX. And from SLEX, mag-exit po tayo ng Mamplasan. And from Mamplasan po, no, mayroon po itong rotunda. And doon na rin po yung entry to Calax. And from Calax, ang very first exit natin is yung Laguna Boulevard exit. And dito na po tayo mag-i-start. Pagbaba nyo lang po ng Laguna Boulevard exit, bababa po tayo dito going to Nuvali Flyover. And tara po, we will start na po from here. But guys, no, aside from this exit, yung SLEX, Mamplasan, then Calax, meron pa tayong ibang other exits na mas malapit din kay Nuvali. Meron tayong Santa Rosa exit, Eton exit, also Silangan exit. Yun naman po ay sa likod ni Nuvali tayo dadaan. So from here, pagbaba natin ng Calax, ito po yung magiging daan natin which is si Nuvali Flyover. Ito po yung sa tapat natin. So itong si Nuvali Flyover, you know naman pag si Ayala ay gumawa ng mga infrastructures, so nabibuild siya ng mga roads na mas magiging convenient or accessible sa mga investors natin, sa tenants, residents, para mas para mas convenient going to our estate. By the way guys, no, hindi lang naman po mga OFWs or mga expats or mga kababayans natin ang mostly nag-i-invest or nagre-retire dito sa Nuvali. Marami din po ang yung nagwo-work from Makati and BGC and also sa Pasay kasi etong si Nuvali ay very accessible and malapit lang po sa kanila. Example lang po, si Makati and BGC is just 44 to 45 kilometers away from Nuvali. So, from Nuvali going to Makati, nasa 50 to 60 minutes drive lang. And also going to Naiya, mga nasa around 45 to 55 minutes drive lang. So, dahil din po sa Skyway, yung nag-help sa atin na mas mapalapit or mas mapabilis yung driving natin. So here, makikita nyo na po si Nuvali. Dahil dito sa malaking logo po niya, ito po siya, ang Ayala Land Estate Nuvali. Yan po. So from here, makikita nyo po, nasa Nuvali na po tayo. Also, sa tapat po ni Nuvali, ito po yung Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. Ito po yung magko-connect from Santa Rosa and going to Tagaytay if mag-go po kayo ng ride. Also, Nuvali po is located na at the highest part of Santa Rosa. So yung example, if your worry is yung flood, hindi po tayo aabutin po dito. Kumbaga po, bababa yung road going to Santa Rosa, doon po mapupunta yung mga rainwaters, ganun po. Sa mga hindi pa po knowledgeable or familiar dito sa Nuvali, I will share lang po some brief details nitong si Nuvali. So Nuvali is the largest eco-estate development of Ayala land here sa Philippines, dito po sa Rising South sa Laguna. So when we say eco-estate, this is also a sustainable development na we can live on our own, na hindi na po tayo magde-depend sa outside ng estate. Because may sarili po tayong malls, may sarili tayong shopping centers, hospital, meron din po tayo, leisure parks, activation areas. Also, magkakaroon na rin po tayo ng sariling church, which is si Nuvali Parish Church. And also, meron po tayong sariling emergency transport vehicle, sariling fire truck, sariling patrol group na we do not depend sa labas or sa LGU po natin. Example, if magkaroon man ng hindi ka nais din sa estate natin, makakapag-responde po kaagad kasi meron po tayong sarili. Hindi na po tayo tatawag sa local government. This Nuvali, this estate, it is composed of 2,500 hectares. This is up to date. And sa laki po niya, it transcends 3 cities. Mainly in Santa Rosa, Cabuyao, and Calamba. And also, etong si Nuvali po, hinati siya into 4 segments. Nuvali North, kung nasan po tayo ngayon, Nuvali Central, Nuvali Heights, and Nuvali South, kung saan po located si Crescela Nuvali. Ito po yung kung saan po tayo pupunta ngayon. So ngayon po, andito po tayo sa Nuvali Boulevard. Ito po yung ating spine road. Ito yung magko-connect from Nuvali North to Nuvali South. So from here po, again, andito po tayo sa Nuvali North. Dito po located yung ating premier central business district, which is si Metro Nuvali. Well, some of you baka po nakikita na po natin yung mga ads or ano na po ni Ayala about Metro Nuvali. So ano ba ito? Metro Nuvali, this is a 200-hectare central business district. So, you know naman po, when it comes to central business districts, si Ayala is at its best. Kumbaga po, yung ating mga examples po niyan, si Makati and si BGC. Well, very familiar naman na po sa atin yan, si Makati and si BGC. Those are sample locations na kung bibili po kayo ng property, sobrang expensive na because yun po, sa development net ni Ayala. And ito po yung mga pioneer or premier central business district po ni Ayala. So yung next po natin, this is Metro Nuvali. So again, this is 200 hectares. Ito po yung composed ng mga malls natin ngayon, which is si Ayala Malls Nuvali, our shopping centers, si Landers, si SNR. Also, dito rin po located si Healthway Qualimed. And yung sa lakeside naman po natin, dun sa may left side natin located, dun naman po yung ating yung sa may lakeside, si Seda Hotel, si Museum for Architecture and Residences, also si Nuvali Techno Hub, dun din po siya located. So kung titignan nyo po sa ating right, dun po papunta yung ating Healthway Qualimed, yung our own or Ayala brand hospital. Also paglabas nyo po dun po papunta sa SM Nuvali. So yun po, hindi na po siya SM Yulo Premier, hindi na po siya SM Neo Verde, SM Nuvali na po yung official name po niya. So aside sa Ayala Malls natin, meron pa po tayong SM. Kumbaga po, kitang-kita po natin kung gaano na po super developed itong si Nuvali. On our left side, ito naman po si East Block. So ano ba tong si East Block? Ito po yung ating 12-hectare commercial area or pocket business district na yung mga itatayo po dito ay mga mid-rise buildings na more on modern offices, and mga possible din pong itayo ay mga condo or tertiary school or another general hospital. And also on our right side, dito na po located si Civic District. Yung mga ano po dito, Civic District is part of Metro Nuvali. Ang mga i-build po dito is yung example, 2 hectare Santa Rosa Civic Complex. So ito naman po, no, ito yung satellite branch ni Santa Rosa. For example po, meron tayong mga government transactions like PhilHealth, SSS, Pag-ibig. So mas malapit na po sa atin, mas convenient po sa atin. Also, dun po located yung gagawin or i-build na Nuvali Parish Church. Kasi sa ngayon po, no, mga chapel lang po dito. Pero ngayon ay may gagawin na pong Nuvali Parish Church. So mas okay po sa atin. And we're very excited na po na magkaroon ng sarili church po dito as a resident dito sa Nuvali. So ayun, after this guard post, dito na po tayo sa may bridge and sa rotunda. Ito na po yung pinaka-end ni Nuvali North. So next po natin is si Nuvali Central. So here po, no, in rotunda, yung first exit dito is ito po yung way na punta to Canlubang Golf and Country Club. Also a shortcut going to Tagaytay Highlands. So yan po. So dito, going to Nuvali Central, take lang po natin yung second exit. By the way, itong rotunda guys, this is part of Cabuyao. So after nitong bridge, ito pong from Nuvali Central, Nuvali Heights, and Nuvali South, ito na po yung part of Calamba. So after this bridge, welcome to Nuvali Central, and as you can see po, no, may makikita po tayo ng another guard post. So ano ba itong guard post? They are part of the estate security na sila po yung nag-enforce ng law dito sa Nuvali Estate. And syempre, para mas maging more secured itong estate natin para sa investors, residents, and tenants. And after that guard post, on our right side, this is a central block. So central block is a 12 hectare commercial area din na ginawa ni Ayala para sa atin. Na example, if mag-grocery lang po kayo or mag-buy ng mga essential needs or example, coffee or etc., mas pinalapit sa atin ni Ayala. Ayan po, mas convenient sa atin as residents po dito sa Nuvali na we don't have to go doon sa Nuvali North, sa malls natin. Kasi ito po, mas malapit na sa atin. So ayun, from here sa central block, if mag-go po tayo sa right side, doon naman po located si Xavier School. One of the schools dito po sa Nuvali. So here in Nuvali po, no, we have 3 schools. Yan po, Xavier School, Miriam College, and Everest Academy. Yun po ay madadaanan naman natin mamaya or later on. So aside po sa mga schools dito sa Nuvali, meron din pa tayong mga schools sa outside ni Nuvali. So we have Don Bosco, La Salle, Ateneo, UST, na some of the brokers or vloggers here sa Nuvali na they are saying na this part of Laguna here in Rising South is magiging University Belt of the South po. So ayun, as you can see, dito na po tayo sa bandang Nuvali Central, and yun po, more on mga residents or exclusive to residents and tenants na po yung mga dumadaan dito. So dito sa loob, walang traffic, as in smooth na smooth po yung driving natin, and as you can see, wala po kayong makikitang mga poste na may mga spaghetti wires. Yan po. Lahat po dito ay naka-underground po yung mga kuryente dito sa ating Nuvali Boulevard, which is yung main road po natin or yung spine road. And eto po, no, yung mga kinahumalingan ng mga OFWs, expats, yung mga kababayan natin abroad, because eto, as in nakikita nyo ba, no, puro trees lang po yung makikita natin dito while binabaybay natin itong si Nuvali Boulevard. So yun po, sa right side natin, sa left side, meron pa tayong median strip na as in puro trees lang, na if you're an OFW or dun po kayo sa abroad nakatira, di ba, parang yung lifestyle po nyo po dyan is parang same lang po nito. Na hindi nyo po siya isa-sacrifice dahil umuwi ng Pilipinas or nag-retire kayo dito sa Philippines, kasi almost same na same. So ganito po yung feel po ninyo. Example, ano rin po siya yung stress-free environment. Dahil puro nature po tayo dito sa Nuvali, yan po yung ano natin, fresh air. Ito yung the best na retirement na mai-offer po ni Ayala is yung mga ganito pong estate. So from here, as you can see, pataas na po yung elevation natin. So dito na po tayo papunta sa Nuvali South kung saan po yung mga communities natin. Si Nuvali South, ito po yung highest elevated part ni Nuvali. So dito po mas mahangin na po sa area. So yan po, no? And also medyo may pagka-cool breeze na rin po dito pag gabi. So yan po pagkaakyat po natin dito sa Nuvali South. Ang nakikita niyo po yung tumbok na yan. Yan po ay merong allocated na 10 hectares si Ayala na in the future ay gagawin po itong mall. So, ito po, some brokers are saying na ito po ay tinatawag na Nuvali Town Center. So, ito po 10 hectares and although nakaplan pa lang po siya, pero it's good to know na for us residents dito sa South, so may mas malapit sa atin na mas convenient na papuntahan natin if you want to shop lang or dine or take ng coffee, di ba? Mas malapit sa atin. And kung di ba nag-right side po tayo going to Crasella, if nag-left side po tayo doon naman po located yung 31 hectares na play park, which is hinati po into 3 segments. We have bike trail, community na consists of garden center and dog park. And yung other one, which is Nuvali driving range. So, example, if andito na po kayo, nakatira and naka-retire na po tayo dito, if bored po kayo sa bahay po nito, no? And if nagbabike po kayo or you want to try your swing, pwede po tayo doon sa play park po natin. Naandito mismo sa Nuvali South. So yun po, on our right side, nadaanan na po natin si Everest Academy. And maya-maya po, no, on our left side, malapit lang, si Miriam College. So, kung may mga kids po tayo or grandkids, meron na po tayong schools inside Nuvali na hindi na po natin kailangan pong lumabas ni Nuvali. So ito po si Miriam College. So from here, sa Miriam College, as you can see, sa tapat po natin ay may ginagawang road. So ito po yung wide road na ito po yung magiging access natin going to Crasella Nuvali. Because itong part ni Crasella Nuvali ay newly acquired po siya ni Ayala. So ito pong huge and wide road na ito magiging access natin sa mga bagong acquired communities or part ni Nuvali. So yan po. So itong lane pa lang yung sementado and yung kabila po natin is ongoing po. Ongoing po yung paggawa po or pagsemento ng road. So tara, let's go na po to Crasella. So from here po, no, ito pong road na ito is temporary access going to Crasella Nuvali. Because this part po is part na po ito ni Crasella Nuvali. So ngayon, naglagay po tayo dito ng temporary access going to the view deck of Crasella Nuvali and para malaman din po ninyo kung ano na ba ang development dito sa Crasella. So tara po. Welcome to Crasella Nuvali, our newest community here in Nuvali. Right now, nandito tayo sa viewing deck and as early as now, you can already see the potential of this development. For the timeline, the target completion is by the third quarter of 2028. So if you're planning to enter early in the growing Ayala community, this is actually perfect timing. Now let's talk about what makes this project unique. In terms of size, this is actually the smallest community here in Nuvali, only 13.5 hectares. And for you as a homeowner, that's a big advantage. Mas low density, hindi crowded, mas tahimik, mas private, and overall, mas relaxed ang environment. Exactly what most people are looking for today. Space, peace, and exclusivity. Now, napansin nyo ba? Medyo mahangin dito sa area. That's because of its elevation. Aside from being one of the smallest, this is also one of the most elevated communities in Nuvali, around 200 to 225 meters above sea level. So expect cooler air, better ventilation, and that refreshing atmosphere. Almost Tagaytay feels, but still within Nuvali. If you value comfort and fresh air, malaking plus talaga to. And because of that elevation, hindi lang climate ang panalo, pati views. Depending on your property orientation, if facing north, you get a view of Laguna de Bay. If facing east, overlooking Mount Makiling. And if facing west, relaxing view of the Tagaytay Ridge. And if facing south, lush greenery, very peaceful and calming. So kahit saan nakaharap ang property mo, you're guaranteed a nature view. Hindi ka talo sa view. Every day feels like naka-staycation ka lang. And of course, hindi mawawala ang amenities natin. Here in Crescela Valley, you'll enjoy a complete set of lifestyle features. We have a clubhouse for gatherings and events, adult and kiddie pool, basketball court for active lifestyle, children's playground, at a pet park dahil pet-friendly din ang community natin. So hindi lang property ang ini-invest mo dito, pati lifestyle na rin. So that's it for the overview of our community here in Crescela Valley. Now, in this development, we offer both lot-only properties and house and lot packages. But for this video, magfo-focus muna tayo sa isa sa pinaka-in-demand options, and that is the lot only. Napapansin namin, especially sa mga clients natin abroad, mas prefer muna nila ang lot only. Why? Because this gives you the freedom to design your own home, sariling layout, sariling lifestyle, sariling timeline. Now, for the available lot cuts, the smallest lot size is 150 square meter and the largest lot size is 246 square meter. And in terms of pricing, it starts from around 7 million up to 14 million, depending on the size and the location of the lot. So if you're planning to secure land now and build your dream home in the future, this is the very flexible and strategic option for you. Now let's talk about the availability map. These are the available lots as of May 2026 here in Crescela Valley. So this will help you decide kung anong location ang best for you. If you prefer a lot near the main gate, this section is actually part of the last sector to be offered. So medyo limited na rin. Yung mga available lots dito are the ones marked with blue circles. The smallest lot is 157 square meter and the biggest lot is 246 square meter. Now, if gusto mo naman malapit sa amenity area, perfect ito for convenience, walking distance sa parks and facilities. The smallest lot is 150 square meter and the biggest lot is 243 square meter. And if you're the type na gusto ng more privacy and quieter environment, you can go for lots na medyo malayo sa gate and amenities, mas secluded and mas peaceful. The smallest lot is 161 square meter and the biggest lot here is 236 square meter. Overall, if you're aiming for a bigger property, you also have the option to combine adjacent lots para mas malaki ang space mo for your future home. So, it really depends on your lifestyle, convenience, privacy, or investment positioning. Now, when it comes to building your house, may guidelines din tayo to maintain the overall look and feel of the community. The concept should be modern contemporary with earth tone colors para mag-blend lang naturally with the environment here in Nuvali. Since Nuvali promotes greenery and open spaces, very important na aligned yung design ng house natin sa nature-inspired theme ng estate. For the structure, the maximum height is 9 meters and if designed properly, possible ka pa rin makapag 3-story house. So, may flexibility ka pa rin in terms of space and layout, especially if you want to maximize your lot. Now, if you're wondering kung ano ba yung mga approved house designs, don't worry, I'll show you sample houses from nearby communities natin para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung anong style ang pasok and approved dito. Guys, as I mentioned earlier, kaka-launch lang nitong community last December 2024. Pero dahil sa sobrang taas ng demand, mabilis talagang naubos ang inventory. And right now, we are officially offering the last sector here in Crescela Valley. Yes, this is already the final phase, the last piece of Crescela na may available properties. So if you're planning to secure a property here, this is your window. Kasi once maubos ito, wala na pong next phase. Now, let's be real. Sobrang daming properties na ino-offer sa iba't ibang locations dito sa Rising South. Pero ang tanong, pare-pareho ba sila ng potential? Developments here in Nuvali are very promising. Kaya secure ka not just today, but for the long term. At hindi lang para sa'yo, para rin ito sa future generations mo. Because let's be honest, ayaw natin ng property na mabagal ang growth or limited ang appreciation. With Ayala, proven na ang track record, master plan communities, high-quality developments, strong property appreciation over time. So if your goal is long-term security and investment growth, this is a solid option. So that's it for me guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na ito and I hope naging eye-opener ito lalo na sa ating mga OFWs, expats at mga kababayan na naghahanap ng place to retire or invest dito sa Nuvali. Remember, this is not just about owning a property. It's about securing your future and enjoying the lifestyle that Ayala communities can offer. If you want more details or gusto nyo mag-schedule ng site viewing or Zoom presentation, kung nasa abroad kayo, message nyo lang ako sa Viber or WhatsApp at 0917-140-5564. At syempre, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa smart property opportunities dito sa South. Again, this is Renz Pagiligan, the Estate Savvy, your senior property specialist in the South.